shares how you can make chickpeas pulao. Cloves, 4. Mace, 1 blade. Nutmeg, 1 4 piece. Cardamom, 6. Grind all the spices. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Chickpeas, 250 grams boiled. Grounded coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon. Grounded fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder, ½ teaspoon. Yogurt, 3 to 4 cup. Green chili paste, 1 tablespoon. Salt, ½ tablespoon. Now add all of your ingredients in a bowl and mix them well. Rice, ½ kilogram. Add water to your rice and let it rest for around 30 minutes. Now in a pot with boiling water, add around 1 tablespoon vinegar. And add cloves, 7. Cardamom, 4. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Bay leaves, 2. And add them all to the water. Then add your rice and let it boil until the rice is half done. Now drain your rice water. Now in a pot, add oil. Add your pulao mixture and add your chickpeas. Add your rice. And add 1 tablespoon oil on your rice and sprinkle fried onions on top. Now let your pulao cook on high flame for 1 minute, then on low flame for at least 10 minutes. Your pulao is ready. Enjoy.